Okay, so this video is a demonstration and explanation of my Dremel Mega Chuck. Here you can see the normal Dremel Chuck. This is the one that they sell. Officially, Dremel makes this, and they sell it at Home Depot, Lowe's, and that sort of stuff. It's usually $10. This here is my Dremel Mega Chuck, and as you can see from size comparison, it's substantially bigger, much bigger than the Dremel offering. And with that comes a much bigger attachment point for bigger bits. So this one is meant for the 1/8 bits that Dremel makes, and this one can hold up to a 1/4 inch bit. So I'll demonstrate that here in a second. So here you can see the normal Dremel 1/8 inch cutoff wheel, and this here is a 3 inch cutoff wheel with a 1/8 or 1/4 inch arbor, and we'll be putting that in the Mega Truck so you can see. Also here is a roll lock adapter, 1/4 inch drive. I'll also demonstrate that here in a second. So what we'll be using today is my Milwaukee M12 Dremel tool. All you gotta do is, you can, if you want, just stick the pusher pin inside, use gravity to hold it in place, and then screw the chuck right on top of that. Another way to do it is you can actually take the pusher pin, put it inside the chuck, and then just screw that on like the normal chuck, holding it down, because as soon as you turn it upside down, the pin will fall out. So try that again. Put the pin inside, hold the chuck down so gravity holds the pin in place, stick the spindle of the Dremel inside, push the lock button, and screw the chuck all the way down, and there you go, ready to go. Whenever you're ready to use a bit, you just unscrew it just far enough for the bit to fit inside. Not far enough yet. There you go. In. Tighten finger tight. And there you go. Ready to cut. Whenever you want to upgrade to a bigger bit, do is unscrew. Keep unscrewing until the chuck opens up to a 1/4 inch. Let's see here. That's far enough. There you go. Roll lock on a 1/4 inch arbor. There you go. And there you go. Cutoff wheel, 3 inch cutoff wheel on a Dremel. And there you go. Any questions? Just feel free to message me. Oh, hang on real quick. I'll also demonstrate this. So you can see the Dremel Mega Chuck. It's the standard Dremel size. Hang on real quick. This here is my Dremel 400. And you can see it also fits on this very well, but I don't like using this Dremel very much because the button used to lock the spindle is a pain in the butt, or pain in the bum. As you can see, there you go. Fits on just fine. And to show you how compatible it is, I also have my Craftsman, what is that, Next Tech Dremel copy. So you can see, here we go, my Craftsman old school from the early 2000s Next Tech 12 volt Dremel clone, and stick that on real fast. And there you go.